Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic is what happens to your body if you have prediabetes. If you have prediabetes, your blood sugar levels are higher than normal but not high enough to be classified as type 2 diabetes. This condition indicates that your body is starting to have trouble using insulin effectively, a state called insulin resistance. As a result, your pancreas produces more insulin to compensate, but this may not be enough to keep blood sugar levels in a healthy range. Prediabetes can lead to several harmful effects on the body even before progressing to type 2 diabetes. Elevated blood sugar can damage blood vessels and nerves, putting strain on your heart, kidneys, and other organs. People with prediabetes often have metabolic syndrome, which includes high blood pressure, obesity, and abnormal cholesterol levels, the factors that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Specific complications and risk associated with prediabetes include increasing risk of developing type 2 diabetes, which can cause serious complications such as kidney failure, blindness, nerve damage, and amputations. Damage to blood vessels and nerves may already begin during prediabetes, leading to silent heart attacks that may go unnoticed. A 15% higher risk for cardiovascular disease compared to people without prediabetes. There's a higher likelihood of chronic kidney disease due to extra strain on the kidneys filtering excess sugar. There may be increased risk of fatty liver disease as insulin resistance can cause fat buildup in the liver. The symptoms of prediabetes are often absent, so many people are unaware that they have it until a blood test reveals elevated levels of glucose or hemoglobin A1C. So, preventing progression from prediabetes to type 2 diabetes and reducing health risks involve lifestyle changes such as healthy eating, regular physical activity at least 150 minutes per week, weight loss, managing blood pressure and cholesterol, and quitting smoking. These interventions can help lower blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and decrease the chance of developing diabetes and related complications. In summary, prediabetes signals early metabolic dysfunction with important effects on multiple organs, especially the cardiovascular system, kidneys, and liver, making it crucial to intervene early to prevent type 2 diabetes and associated health problems. Thank you. Please subscribe.